Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time here, it is Aita Green back again with another video, and just as the title indicates, you already know what is going on and you probably already saw it in the thumbnail. A couple days ago I tried a colored eyebrow look for the very first time and it was super successful. I posted it on my WhatsApp and I got amazing feedback. I posted it on Instagram and I got amazing feedback as well, and immediately I decided to make a tutorial video on it because it was so easy for me to do it myself and I only used 5 steps. And I know that anyone that wants to do colored eyebrows, rainbow or not, would benefit from the method I use. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Voiceover Tari.
Yes, B.
Are you ready?
Yes, B.
Okay. Okay, since I already drew my brows for the intro, I'm just gonna clean those up first. These are the things you need: spoolie brush, concealer brush, foundation brush, glue. Yes, I use craft glue. You guys should please be safe. Pigments of your choice, light foundation, and lastly setting powder. Let us begin. Firstly and obviously, you're going to need to brush your brows. I like to brush mine downwards and apply my glue. Now while brushing it up, you need to apply force and make sure you put enough glue and make sure it's as flat as possible. I did not do mine perfectly and I ended up with stray hairs, but anyways, you need to make sure that it's glued down perfectly. Oh, look at that forehead. Next, baby girl or baby boy, you need to get your setting powder and set that glue in. This makes it flat and matte and concrete, and I just like to wait a little time, just let it marinate. Yeah, Vogue models cannot compare. Okay, next thing you need to do is get your light, don't judge me, get your light foundation and apply it to your brows. Here you guys see me blend mine a little too much, so I added more, but this is just basically to cover up and to prep it for the pigment that's coming next. Next is our pigment. So yeah, my sister says hi. Our yellow, orange, red, green, blue, purple. I am sure we all know the arrangement of the colors in the rainbow, and yes, I showed you guys pink, but I actually ended up using red for my brows. And here is where you have to go all out, no mercy. Apply a lot of pigment, and you can see me kind of pay attention to try to make it a sort of an ombre effect. So definitely blend your colors together. And in case you guys are wondering, the pigment neon, I got it from an online store and they're pretty common and pretty affordable too. One brow is more of a warmer tone and then this brow is more of the cooler tone. Once again, for our vibrant look, we don't hold back in packing on our colors and blending out. Ooh, thumbnail! Next thing is to bring these bad boys to life by shaping them. Shape the heck out of them. I wanted natural shaped brows, so I did that. I advise you guys to go for lighter concealer. I didn't, so I ended up having to use more concealer than normal, and I wish I could give you guys a proper tutorial on how to shape brows, but I'm not a professional. First brown done, time for the second one. Ooh, yeah. So you just get your foundation and blend everything out. Apply highlights, finishing touches. Yes, I am contouring my forehead because I know it's very obvious. And then gloves. It's just finishing touches basically. And boom, we are done. Look at that rainbow bad boy. And just like that, we are done with our 5-step vibrant colored eyebrows. So don't think that you have to wait until you dye your eyebrows before you get colored eyebrows. So after successfully making colored eyebrows for myself, and I found out that it was easy, I'm glad I was able to share you guys the 5 easy steps that I used, and I know you can recreate it too. Don't be shy to try colors, no matter your skin shade, no matter your skin color. Don't be shy, put some more. If you guys enjoyed this video at any point, you know what to do. Be sure to leave a thumbs up. I upload every Sundays and Thursdays 4 p.m. West African time, so if you like consistent content with a vibe, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.